forward chess. How to play. The rules are the same, except the object of the game is to be the first player to checkmate their opponent, move their king to the opposite side of the board, or stalemate their opponent. All pieces, except for pawns, can move and capture normally in a forward and side-to-side direction, but not backwards. Instead, these pieces may only move backwards one square to the spot directly behind them in a non-capturing move. Pieces are ranked from high to low as followed: queen, rook, bishop, knight, pawn. When a piece is captured, a piece of the next lower rank belonging to the capturing player is created on the square where the capturing piece started its move. When a pawn is captured, no piece is created. A pawn on the first row is not allowed to double-step move. A created pawn on the second row, or a pawn that moved up from the first row, is allowed to double-step move. En passant is allowed like normal. A pawn created on the 8th row does not promote automatically, but its owner can promote it on a future turn instead of moving. Pawns that move to the 8th row promote immediately like normal. When determining check, a capture and a resulting piece creation are considered to be a single move. For example, if a knight is pinned by a bishop, it is allowed to capture a non-pawn piece to create a piece that blocks the check. Castling is not allowed. If you are stalemated, then you lose. If you make a triple repetition of moves, then you lose. If you move your king to a safe square on the opposite side of the board, then you immediately win, even if your opponent could move their king to their opposite side on their next turn.